Hey friends, today we're going to make a Dollar Tree Disney inspired hand mirror for your little girl. So let's get started. Okay, the mirrors that I got at the Dollar Tree, like I said, are made out of plastic, but they are quite detailed. If you turn the mirror over, you can see how detailed the plastic mold is. Now I'm going to embellish this, give it away with some of the hair bows I'm making. I picked out these colors here, an Ariel theme. I've cut the back off of the button that I got at Hobby Lobby for 60% off. Got it ready to glue on. Ariel's got some blue and some greens going on in here and just a tiny bit of purple. I've got these little beads here that I cut up and took off of some Dollar Tree ribbon. I just like this particular shade of green to incorporate into it. I've got these little jewels here that are kind of multicolored that I'm going to put around the mirror itself. And then I've got these greens and blues and reds. Now obviously you wouldn't want to give this to a smaller child who might put this in their mouth and some of the jewels might come off. I'm going to be using some super glue adhesive on this to keep these on here, but I still would give this to an older child, at least 5 years old and up, I'm thinking. What I've decided to do is I'm going to take the mirror and I'm going to take the smaller jewels and put around the edges here. I think I'm going to put Ariel up here at the top. I'm going to put some jewels at the bottom. Just going to kind of play this by ear like I always do. Never know how it's going to turn out, but let's get started and see what we can come up with. Okay, and here is the mirror all embellished. I took this plain Dollar Tree $1 little plastic mirror and I embellished it with some jewels and the little Ariel button there on the top. Here's another one I did. This one is pink. I added some gemstones on there and those paper things. I think these are for scrapbooking. I got those 60% off at Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I had these gems and the seed beads, and I just went around the edges of it, added a little jewel here I got from the Dollar Tree and the ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree. So there's two little embellished Dollar Tree hand mirrors, and I'll probably give this mirror right here away when I give away this hair bow right here for a birthday gift. I'll probably buy some kind of little cute little shirt to go with it as well. I may give this one away to the little girl who's got a birthday coming up close to Valentine's Day. But there you go, just very easy peasy, just a really quick and simple and easy project to do in maybe 30 minutes, if that much. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.